So here's the finished product. I paint this is one piece of drywall. I primed this side with white primer, this side with gray. Both of them are the same brand. This is Bullseye 2 primer. You can buy the gray stock at the store. This is one coat of red paint. This is a second coat of paint, and it's dramatically different. The color is called Fabulous Red, and look, it's amazing. This is the only square that looks correct to the card. Maybe that's why people always say, oh, this is going to dry lighter at home, right? No, it shouldn't. It should be the actual color you're trying to achieve. And that's the color you should get on your walls. So if you need to, prime it first with gray primer when you're using a really rich color.